Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here, apologies for the bang, with the Stickii Club pop unboxing for January. Now I decided to subscribe to the pop pack because I really liked the sneak peek. And I am naughty, I shouldn't look at the sneak peeks, but who knows, because there are 3 different types of pack. There's cute, pop and vintage. I haven't tried the vintage one yet because at the moment it's not really my jam, but you know, who knows, in the future I might do. But here I am with the pop one today. Now I have already opened it just to save ripping paper on screen, but I haven't actually looked into it yet. So let's pop the envelope off to the one side. So before I go any further, I am a Stickii Club ambassador, which means you can save $5 off your first subscription. I'm not going to bore you with all the details. I'll just leave it all in the description. Feel free to check it out, and you know, it's an amazing subscription for the price. So this subscription is called Hybrid, and as always you get the plastic wallet with everything in. Now I don't know what is actually in here because I subscribed to this one off one sticker sheet sneak. So we have, is this a reusable sticker album with this gorgeous butterfly image. Well, it's not it's got butterflies on it, but it's scale with butterfly wings in a hat, and it's really nice, and you can't really see it on camera, but it has like a glittery sheen effect to it. Oh, you might be able to pick it up there just slightly. And it's by Dara Doodles. That's really pretty. And then you have pages of release paper inside, which means you can stick stickers in and use them at a later date. So I really like that. It's cute. Up in the top pocket, oh, we have 2 little things. So the first thing we have is this girl reading a book with a strawberry as a head. Interesting. That's different. That's a giant vinyl sticker from FIFA. And then, what are these? I'm just going to bin that off. Then we've got flowers, but they've got clocks in the middle as like the, I can't think what they're called, but like the middle of the flower. They're really cute. Well, not cute, but you know what I mean. They're really nice. There's 8 of those all together. I presume they're stickers. Yes, they are. I'm going to stick them in here. Then, as always, you get the corner sticker here, because what that is for is to pop down here. So when you file it away in your A5 ring binder, then you know what it is when you turn the page. Right, let's have a look at these stickers. So, let me just find. This is the sheet that I subscribed to this for, this one, because, let me zoom in a little bit. This is adorable. Look, couch, octopus, penguin. I just love the puns on this sheet. I need to zoom just slightly out a little bit. That's better. So yeah, this is why I subscribed to this one, because I really wanted this sheet. I just loved the fact that the butterfly is an actual piece of butter. It's just really fun and really cool, and I think I might do like a pun a day or something for a month or whatnot. I'm not quite sure how many's on here, but yeah, I really like that sheet, so that's the reason I subscribed to this pack. So let's have a look what else we've got. We've got this sheet here by Caitlin Hoyt, and it's all different fantasy creatures. This kind of gives me like Stranger Things vibe, because it's got a big pansy head, I guess. So yeah, I don't know whether I'll use this. I'm not sure. Maybe this is something that will push me out of my comfort zone a little bit and encourage me to use something a little bit different in my planners and my journals. Then the next sheet we have is from Water Lemon. And they're like these fantasy fairies. I really like, well, they're like fantasy fairy mermaids, and they're really nice. I really like these. And they are on clear. It's just this paper here is green, but then this bit is actually transparent. They're really good. I like those. Then we have this sheet from Catty Lipscomb Art. And these are like dragons with butterfly wings. Now I really like these. Again, not my usual taste in things that I do, because I'm very like a cute and kitsch and kawaii kind of journaler, I suppose. But you know, things can change, and it's good to have a bit of variety, right? So the next sheet we have are these, and I will use these because I really love strawberries, especially with the summer coming up soon. Please give me warmer weather because I just hate the cold. So these will be good for my fruit intake, because really I just live on strawberries quite a lot through the summer. So I really like these, and they've got the pink foil as well. Then we have this sheet, which matches the reusable sticker album, and because you've got the girl there, and this is from Dora Doodles again. I like this. This is I really do like this. I'm quite excited to plan with this sheet. And then last but not least, we have the Mushroom Girls sheet. And these are like fantasy women with mushroom hats and heads and flower heads, and it's different. So that gives you a little sneak peek into what the pop pack actually is like. I really like this, and I'm going to stay subscribed to February's, but I'm not going to look at the sneak, and then you will get a first reaction, and I'm not going to open the envelope either, so you know it's for first reaction next month. So that'll give me a better idea of whether I'm going to stay subscribed to that pack or just stick with the cute one. And then maybe the following month I might subscribe to the vintage one too, to see what that's like, because I'm not quite sure if that is my thing. So yeah, that's what was included in the January subscription for Stickii Club. I'll leave my discount code and the details down below. So thank you very, very much for joining me today, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.